Ever picture a grasshopper perched on a blade of grass? Tiny phone pressed to its ear, conducting a high-stakes business deal? Probably not. But in the fast-paced world of communication technology, the name grasshopper has taken flight not in the insect kingdom, but in the realm of virtual phone systems. So, the question begs to be asked, can Grasshopper, a service known for its sleek app and business-oriented features, actually make and receive phone calls? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. Grasshopper, beyond cricket chirps, Grasshopper isn't your typical phone. It's a cloud-based virtual phone system designed specifically for businesses. Think of it as a digital switchboard that takes the hassle out of managing calls, extensions, and greetings. Here's the key. Grasshopper itself doesn't physically make or receive calls. It acts as a clever middleman, routing calls to your existing phone numbers, mobile, landline, etc., or voicemail, making calls with a Grasshopper twist. Let's say you've snagged a Grasshopper subscription and want to chat with a client. Here's how it goes. Open the Grasshopper app on your phone, tablet, or computer. Select the number you want to call from. You can have multiple numbers linked to your account. Dial the desired number, and Grasshopper connects you through its virtual network. While the call itself might take place on your regular phone, Grasshopper handles the behind-the-scenes magic. This includes caller ID management, voicemail handling, and even call forwarding if you're unavailable. Receiving calls like a boss. On the receiving end, things get even more interesting. Grasshopper lets you ditch the generic phone greetings and create custom messages. Imagine a professional recording welcoming callers and directing them to the right department by pressing a key. Here's where Grasshopper truly shines. Auto attendants. These automated systems greet callers and route them to specific extensions based on their selection. No more endless menu loops. Extension magic. Assign unique extensions to team members, allowing callers to reach the right person directly. Voicemail flexibility. Gone are the days of robotic voicemails. Record personalized greetings or even set up voicemail to email transcription for easy message management. The Grasshopper advantage. Convenience and control. So, while Grasshopper doesn't directly make or receive calls in the traditional sense, it empowers you to manage your communication like a pro. Here's what makes it so appealing. Mobility. Make and receive calls from anywhere with an internet connection, keeping you connected even on the go. Scalability. Grasshopper grows with your business. Add or remove extensions as your team expands, ensuring seamless communication. Professional image. Project a polished image with custom greetings, auto attendants, and a dedicated business phone number. Beyond the basics. Grasshopper's hidden perks. Grasshopper offers more than just call routing. Here are some hidden gems. Call recording. Keep track of important conversations for future reference. Text messaging. Communicate with clients and colleagues through integrated text messaging features. Call analytics. Gain valuable insights into your call patterns, allowing you to optimize your communication strategy. Is Grasshopper right for you? If you're a solopreneur or a small business looking to streamline communication and project a professional image, Grasshopper is definitely worth considering. However, for larger companies with complex communication needs, a more robust phone system might be necessary. The final chirp. It's all about flexibility. Grasshopper may not be your average phone service, but it offers a powerful and convenient way to manage calls for your business. With its user-friendly interface and suite of features, it allows you to ditch the phone clutter and communicate with confidence. So, while your friendly neighborhood Grasshopper might not be calling you anytime soon, Grasshopper the virtual phone system can certainly help your business chirp louder than ever. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.